Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, October 10th, 2016. And today, in our Tech News Update, Google Chrome 55, the new version of Chrome that is coming up soon, will apparently use up to 66% less memory and should be much more efficient. Now, this is something that I think a lot of Google users want. If you use Google regularly, you might have noticed that it actually uses a lot of RAM and sometimes is way slow in certain tasks. So basically, they do say that they have worked and reworked the code of Google Chrome to make it much more efficient and a lot better. So let's hope, as it's the most popular browser right now. Well, yesterday was, of course, the debate between the two um, U.S. Um, to be possible presidents, Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. There was a record yesterday. It says that 12 million, 17 million tweets, mostly on the Trump side, were exchanged while there was a debate. And Twitter says it's a record for a U.S. election debate. And of course, Twitter says that in all of that, most of the tweets, the 17 million tweets, were talking about Donald Trump much more than they were talking about Clinton, and most of the time in a negative way. So I don't know if you can use tweets and see where all of that is going, but it's an interesting thing to see that so many people and so many tweets were exchanged while the debate was going on. In the UK, government makes a law now that is actually going to show users and guide users on how they should behave online, including making trolling and cyberbullying illegal in the UK. So I think this is basically modernizing laws that were often made many years ago into the digital age where we get basically trolling and cyberbullying much more in a online environment today than we are in a regular day-to-day environment. So I think that's a good, interesting law, and I think it is one of those law that needs to be passed. Now it's of course going to be interesting to see as these laws go in effect, how much or how many people will actually, really complain about this. Well, Microsoft has announced that they will have a Windows event on October 26th. It will be streamed online, and lots of speculation of to what exactly this could be. Some say that there could be a lot of Surface devices that are refreshed, and also talk a lot more about Windows 10 itself. So that's going to be interesting to see. And it all starts on October 26th, and it will be streamed live on the web. Well, Paint, if you've been using Paint, if you ever used Paint, I did, and I do from time to time. Well, a major update to Paint is coming in the next few months. Apparently, it will be a app in the store, and you'll be able to download it to your Windows 10 computer. It will be a major update to the Paint app that basically hasn't changed in a very long time. It will even add 3D capabilities. So that's going to be interesting to see, and I think it is time to change Paint, as there are some people using this, and I think it's going to be nice to see the modernized version. And of course, when it is available, we will talk about it on this channel. Well, it seems that Samsung is, for now, stopping production of the Galaxy Note 7. They do say that even some of the replacement Note 7s that people received, there were a few problems with, exploding batteries again. And they say that now they want to concentrate on making the device safe, and so they are reorganizing basically the manufacturing of the device, and it could actually make a little more of a delay to the Galaxy S8 that was supposed to arrive in early 2017. So I think, they have to sit down and check out the process of manufacturing here because something's wrong. That's for sure. And finally, tomorrow, of course, it is Patch Tuesday, but it will be a unique Patch Tuesday. It will be the first time that Windows 7, 8, and 10 users now receive updates through what we call cumulative updates. And Microsoft has updated its schedule showing exactly how and what type of updates we're going to get. So they did say that Office updates will be on the first week of the month. Cumulative or security updates will be on the second Tuesday, Patch Tuesday. Also, there will be a third Tuesday that will have product enhancements and bug fixes. So basically, we can expect that depending on how you are configured on your PC and what software you have, there are going to be updates on more than one Tuesday. But what's going to be mostly interesting is that Windows 7 and 8 users will now see cumulative updates instead of seeing, a bunch of updates that show up all together. It's going to be interesting to see also if everything goes well. So this was the Tech News Update for Monday, October 10th, 2016. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully you enjoy our videos and will continue following us on this channel.